All right, so you saw that, so please help me welcome to the stage from Veeam, Shiva Pillai, and from Ottava, TJ Houski. Thanks. All right, so it has been a journey for us to get this partnership with Veeam. I'm going to talk to both of these guys, but Shiva, I guess to get started, at least from Veeam's standpoint and a product standpoint, what is this kind of all about?
Yeah, first, thanks for having me. We've got a pretty cool kit collection going up on stage.
Yeah, here we
I
go.
just noticed, so
Love it.
we might have to auction those off. Super excited to be here. We were actually in this room 6 months ago for Veeam's Launchpad, our kickoff, so familiar stage. What does it mean? Look, for me, it means very simply, customers are looking for data portability, right? And one of our pillars, and when we talk to our customers, is giving them the option. We obviously have to secure the data, but giving them that ability to port the data to wherever they need to go. And whether it's a new hypervisor, a new cloud, we need to give customers more choice, more than ever. And so working with you guys, I think we're going to remove complexity out of the equation, make life simple, and give customers that data portability option they've been looking for quite some time.
It's music to my ears, of course. So now we have a lot of partners in the room. From a partner standpoint, how does this impact them?
Yeah, when I put my partner lens on, it's like, how do I solve for my customer easily, right? And the combination of the platform plus Veeam Data Platform and our Vault solution bundled together is just this really easy offering to a customer. So from a partner's perspective, you can start behaving or acting like the trusted advisor, taking the customer on the right journey, and obviously maximizing revenue and margins as you sell both of our solutions together.
Excellent. So now some of you may be wondering, well, who's this guy over here? All right, so this is TJ, the CEO of Ottava. Now, TJ, a year ago, you guys were a brand new partner of Scale. You came to you hadn't even signed your paperwork, by the way, at the time.
Yeah.
Right? You came to the event, and after the event, or actually while we were still at the event, you said, you know, we're a huge Veeam partner. We really need to get Scale and Veeam together. So first, you guys played a pivotal role in making that happen. So thank you very much to you and to Brian and Austin and the whole team for making that happen. But from the perspective of an MSP, how do you see this partnership?
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for having us. Appreciate it. No, I couldn't agree with Shiva more. If you think about in our space, you know, you're both representing the development side, like creation of the product and solving those problems. The resellers face a different issue, right? Which is how do you connect legitimacy to the platform and tell the world that, hey, this is an enterprise class product, which is interesting because Veeam faced that for a decade. Scale has faced that. And so what I think this creates is optionality and legitimacy, the ability for partners to now stand and talk to customers and say, hey, listen, like there is more than just Broadcom. You have other options. And Broadcom's just one of many out there, but I think that's what customers are looking for. And then you marry that to the season that we're transitioning in distributed computing and edge, and I think it just the timing makes a lot of sense. So hopefully it gives you an opportunity as partners to have better at-bats when you're talking to customers and deliver what you're trying to solve, which is the business issue, not tuck in the technology, you know, to make the sale. So,
awesome, thanks.
Yeah.
So Shiva, back to you. So how can people learn more about what's going on with this while they're here?
I think they already are, because I went down to the booth last night and there was just a buzz of activity. So firstly, hit the booth. We've got our whole team there. And then on Thursday, I think we have a session where we're demoing, showing the beta version of the product, have a full session for everybody to get up to speed. But I'll be at the booth a little later, love to shake some hands, but I'm already hearing a bunch of noise and activity around it, which makes me super excited.
Awesome. Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. And thank you for your partnership once again.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.